Free kick given by the referee against Port Talbot's Martin Rose for a push. Chance for Carmarthen. Coombs to Chris Thomas. Sasha Walters. Thomas again. It's into Coombs. Trying his luck with a curler. Took a deflection off Matthew Rees, but nice build-up by Carmarthen. Rogers' goal kick. Pretty even in these early stages. Here's Danny Thomas for Carmarthen. Finds Walters on the edge of the area. Chip by Walters. Good save by Christian Rogers. Here it is again. Walters took it first time, and a fingernail cropper by Rogers. Morgan's ball to McCreesh. Looking for Rose, and he's got behind the defender, Rose. Now can he get the shot off? Well parried away by Neil Thomas. In the Carmarthen goal. And Rose feels that he might have done better. Thompson with the intercept. Lee Sermon for Port Talbot. Flick on is by Dylan Blaine, and here's Rose again with space, and this time he makes no mistake. The first goal for Port Talbot on 32 minutes. Martin Rose, lovely header by Dylan Blaine. Rose got between the defenders and finished with aplomb. The Port Talbot posse go wild. Jamal Easter for Carmarthen. Nice ball with the outside of the foot, finds Cottrell on the edge of the area, beats one man, Cottrell, beats another man. Can he get the cross in? Walters with a header, inches wide, and that should have been the equaliser for Carmarthen. Cottrell pushing forward for Carmarthen within the final minute of stoppage time at the end of the game. Cottrell's cross, it's fallen to Easter, and Easter has got the equaliser for Carmarthen Town. Right at the death, Jamal Easter, Nathan Cottrell's cross. What a finish in normal time. Scoring so late seems to have galvanised Carmarthen. Cottrell, Danny Thomas, the runner is Cottrell. Yes! Carmarthen lead, Nathan Cottrell. Wonderful vision by Thomas. Cottrell with his left foot. 6 minutes of extra time gone. Carmarthen lead 2-1.